What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Red Lines of Lemon here, and today we have the special box that I told you guys was coming, and it is from RAXIOM taillights, and I can't wait to show you guys what kind of taillights we went with. It was a very tough decision, but overall, I think it will work out with the carbon fiber trunk and other taillights I have. See what we got here. We have, wait for it, we have the RAXIOM Gen5 taillights. These are going to look super good with the carbon fiber trunk. I think this is a great addition to the build, and we're going to go downstairs to the car and install these right now. All right, guys, for the next step, there's going to be this little black plastic piece right here, and what I did is I just grabbed a screwdriver really and just kind of plucked it out like that, and then you got access to all the wires and stuff. There is one down here too. If you want to remove that to get full access, come on, where is it? There it is, right here. If you want to get full access, but I think I might remove it so we can get full access to everything and we can see all the wires and stuff. My inside of my trunk is really dirty. I got to take everything out and clean this, but that'll be on maintenance day for me, probably tomorrow. For the bottom piece, really, all you got to do is just get your nail in there and just kind of pluck it out, and it'll come right out. And then you will have even better access. There is still a nut up here. Again, fingernail, pluck it out. Even more access, fingernail, pluck it out. And then you have almost all access to this. I think there's still some on the bottom too that we need to get to, or on this side too that we need to get to take this full thing off. I'm just taking the full thing off so I have full access. This is what's in the way, but we are almost done taking this thing off and getting the taillights in. Alright, we've taken the full part out. Super dirty under here, but under here is a spare tire. We got all of the little picks taken out, and now we can start undoing our wiring and unscrewing the bolts to get the stock taillights out of here. These were really good taillights, and they did look really nice with the carbon fiber trunk and spoiler, but and they were sequential when I bought it. They were sequential, but I like these a bit better. I think these will look really well, and especially I think they're going to look good with the wrap I might get. But if I don't like these the way they look with the wrap, I'll get the different version of the taillights, and I'll probably give those to you guys if you guys want them, if I switch them for a different one. But right now we're going to rock these. Once you got these top ones, you're going to go, and there's another bolt tucked in here and here. You're just going to get in there and take these out too. You can remove the liner if you want, but so what we're going to do right now is take the next bolts out. Now that all three nuts are off the taillight, we are going to unplug our wiring connected to it. And I'm going to show you guys how it's done really quickly. Alright guys, so basically you see that there is there's a clip right on top of here. You kind of just push this down, then it'll pull back pretty much. But that's how you take the wiring out, and then basically you are ready to pull your taillight out. Let me set you guys down so I can pull this out. Okay guys, so to take this out, you're gonna have to use two hands, but I'm using one. I already took it out, but I'm just gonna show you. You gotta wiggle it a bit, just wiggle it, and it'll come out. And then for this right here, you're gonna have to get your hand and kind of tug it a bit, and then the wiring will come out. But these are the stock taillights out of the car, and now we're gonna put in the new RAXIOM Gen5 taillights. But I'm gonna take this out of here. Yeah. All right, let's put in the new taillights. Putting the new taillights in is going to be pretty simple. We're just going to have to put this wire right here, right through here, and then bolt everything back on and kind of hide all the wires, and then it'll be good. Alright guys, so to have this fit, you're going to have to put the wire in here and connect this. This is the sequential box, I think. You're going to have to put that down. And then you need to line up the nuts. You need to line up the nuts so everything fits. It's going to be kind of a tight fit, but I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to show you guys the fitting process. So the first taillight is in, and it just looks, I think it looks amazing already. The black with my green, it looks super amazing. We took the second second taillight out. Get rid of some of these pine needles. This is out of the way, and now we're gonna put in our second RAXIOM taillight, and we're gonna plug everything in, put the border back in, and start it up and see how it all looks. All right, the second pair of the RAXIOM taillights are in. I think this is gonna look really freaking great when I close the trunk and we get the full thing. Wow. This looks pretty fucking amazing. I can't even lie. This looks really good. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's start up the car and see if they work. I know you don't have to fully start it, but you know, we gotta let the cams go. You know what I mean? We gotta let the cams go. It'll be a cold start. Well guys, I'm really happy with how these taillights look. They look phenomenal on the Mustang with the carbon fiber trunk and the spoiler. It looks really nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you please hit the like button. I'm so glad to finally upload something that is for the build, a modification for the build. It's been a while. We will start doing more mods soon, and I will upload some shorts in the meantime while we do that. But please leave a like, subscribe, share the channel, share the video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.